Hello everyone and welcome to our episode 3 of the Ramadan series, and today we are going to see the recipe of the ragda patties or the ragda chaat. So let us start with the recipe. So first we are going to make the ragda. So for that, take a pressure cooker and add 200 grams of soaked white peas or safed watana. Now in this add salt according to your taste, a pinch of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now remember, the white watana or the white peas should be soaked for overnight. In this add 2 cups of water and then mix the ingredients well together once. And in this we are also going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now mix the turmeric powder and other ingredients well together. And now once there is a slight boil into the water, just close it with the lid of the pressure cooker and let it cook for around 1 to 2 whistles. So after around 1 to 2 whistles, our white peas or safed watana is cooked well, and also I have mashed it with the help of potato masher. Now keep it aside and we are going to start with the ragda. For that, take a pan and heat 1.5 tablespoons of oil or ghee. I would recommend you to use ghee. In this, add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste and saute the ginger and garlic paste well with the oil. Now I would recommend to use ghee as it gives the best taste and aroma. But today I was not having, so I didn't use ghee. In this, add 2 large sized onions finely chopped and then saute the onions well. Now saute the onions until it is slightly translucent. So saute the onion until it is slightly translucent. And in this we are going to add 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt according to your taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, and mix all these ingredients well together. Now in this we are going to add 2 small sized tomatoes finely chopped and mix the tomatoes well with the other ingredients present. Now let it cook for another 5 minutes. In this, add around 2 tablespoons of water. And now in this we are going to add the boiled white peas or safed watana. Also add around half cup of water. Now mix all these ingredients well together and let it cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. In this also add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and then let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So after 5 to 10 minutes, our ragda would be ready. Just add little bit of ghee or butter onto the top and then mix it well. And finally, we are also going to garnish it with some fresh chopped coriander leaves. And our ragda is ready. And now we are going to start making our aloo tikki or the aloo patties. So for that, take a bowl and add 250 grams of boiled potatoes and mash it well. Now remember, the potatoes should not be hot while making the tikkis. Now just mash the potatoes well. And once you have mashed the potatoes well, just mix it with the help of a spatula. And then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera, salt according to your taste. Add 3 tablespoons of corn flour and mix the corn flour and the potato well. And in this also add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and just mix it well. In this we are going to add 2 tablespoons of dried breadcrumb and then just mix it once and just keep it aside, and we are going to make the filling for the patties. For that, take a pan and heat around 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Now once the oil is heated, add around half teaspoon of rye and half teaspoon of jeera and let it crackle. In this also add 1 teaspoon of kalonji and 1 teaspoon of saunf or the fennel seeds and let all these spices crackle. And once it is crackled, add green peas, fresh green peas around 150 gram. Add salt according to your taste and just cook it well for around 5 to 10 minutes. Also add some fresh coriander leaves. Just saute it well for around 5 to 10 minutes and cook it well. In this we are going to add around half teaspoon of turmeric powder also. And our mutton stuffing or the green pea stuffing is ready. So now we are going to make the aloo tikki or the aloo patties. For that, take a small amount of potato dough which we made. We are going to make medium sized patties. So take a small amount of potato dough and just give it a nice round shape like a ball. A smooth ball shape. So once you've made a nice smooth ball shape as shown into the video, just press it. Carefully press it. Should not be very thin or very thick. And now in this, fill the green pea stuffing which we made around 1 teaspoon. And then just try to close the green pea stuffing with the potato dough. Evenly cover it out and then again just roll it and make a nice ball. And then just, so once you have made a nice ball out of it, just give it a tikki shape. Just flatten it little bit as shown into the video. Follow all the steps as shown into the video. Just roll it and give it a nice tikki shape, and our potato patties are ready. So similarly make all the potato patties. So once our patties are ready, we are going to just cook it. So for that, take a dosa pan or a tawa and in this heat ghee or butter around 3 tablespoons or according to you. Now just spread the ghee or the butter all over the tawa or the pan and let it heat. So I would recommend to use ghee over here, but today I was not having ghee, so I used butter. And now once the ghee or the butter is heated, add the aloo tikki or the aloo patties which we made onto the tawa and just cook it nicely from both the side until it is golden brown in color and it is crispy enough. It would take around 10 minutes for the patties to cook. So once these patties are slightly golden from the back side, just flip it off. Just after 5 minutes, just flip the tikkis off. So you can see that there is a nice browny color, golden color onto the patties, and I have flipped it off. So cook it well from both sides and our tikkis are ready. Similarly, cook all the tikkis, and once you've cooked all the tikkis, we are going to assemble it now. So just cook all the tikkis as shown into the video. And now we are going to assemble it. For that, take a plate and place the tikkis over it. Now onto the tikki pour the ragda which we made. Now this is upon you. How much you want to add, you can add. It's according to you. So add the ragda onto the tikki, and remember the tikki and the ragda should be hot enough. In this we are going to add some fresh chopped onions. So here I am adding some freshly chopped onions. And now in this we are going to add a pinch of red chili powder. Add a pinch of chaat masala. And now in this we are going to add a pinch of salt. Add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now we are going to add the coriander mint chutney. Now the recipe of this chutney is uploaded onto my channel. I would provide you the link for this video into the description below. So add the tamarind chutney also. So add the coriander mint chutney and the tamarind chutney onto the top. And now in this we are going to add the sweet curd. Now this is the curd which we usually use in all the chaat recipes. Now in this curd we have to just add some sugar and vanilla essence, and we have to whisk it well. So add some curd, sweet curd. I'm again adding some chopped coriander leaves, and now in this we are going to add some sev and bundi, nylon sev and bundi. So add the sev and bundi on the top, and our ragda chaat or ragda patties chaat is ready to serve. So thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.